So hi there, hello. How have you been? Today I'm going to be analyzing another asset, and this asset is. Let me show you the symbol properties of the asset. No, that's not the asset. This is the asset. Oh, that's the chart. Let me show you the properties. Here's the chart. Is South African rand versus Japanese yen, and the spread is floating. That this is 3, stop levels 0, contract size 100,000, profit calculation mode forex, margin calculation forex, margin hedge 0.00, pending orders GTC. Yeah, there's some pending orders. Swap type in points, and there's swap long and short are both 0. And yeah, that is South African rand and Japanese yen. Let's open the chart and get started. So yeah, here's the chart for the 1 day time frame, and you can see the chart seems to have had a bullish trend, pretty significant bullish trend. So let's highlight that. Let's put first of all a retracement. Let's see a retracement from this point right here. Also, the previous objects for the previous positions. So let me delete that. Let's start for Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, so that's a Fibonacci retracement right there. So according to the Fibonacci retracement, the price is at 32.8 retracement from the previous high. So yeah, let's highlight the resistance first. The resistance line right there. Let's highlight that. There's the resistance, and I think I've seen some support. Yeah, here's some support. So if I can look at that, yeah. So if you look at the past from 24th August 2021 to 29th October 2021, you can see there is some good fluctuation that shows potential volatility. So here, let me put some trends to indicate there. Okay, so first of all, let's check something. Let's move that. The support line. Is there any point in time price broke below? Yes, there is. And when is it? Here is the timeline. There it is, 22nd January 2022. And it just broke below for a little bit, like a week. So let's highlight that. Yeah, right there. So now price has broken below the support line for like a week, and it broke back up then below. So it is like it broke below twice. Let me highlight that right there. So here is another time. So from here going backward, price has consistently been below, and while it was below, it has created some new lows, therefore a new support line. Right there. So this is 2020, so everyone will have expected, of course, 2020 was the year to create new lows. So I don't feel like it's a new issue or it's a big deal. It's expected. If it wasn't the case, then that would have been an alarm ringing saying, whoa, why didn't you not react during a recession? Oh no, even a pandemic, not a recession. So here's the trend that is from February 13, 2020, heading into pandemic, and it's a consistent guaranteed bearish. It would have been a good position to enter the market, given if I was traders back then. So after it stabilized, so it fell, but it didn't fall below the support line. The support 5.601, and that support line was necessary for the next bullish, which is right here. You can see the bullish that lasted almost 2 months, but majorly all of May. All of May it was just bullish, and so that bullish created a new resistance right here. Oh no, not a vertical line, and a horizontal line to show resistance right there. So you can see price hit the resistance, then rebounds, and while it rebounds, it formed a new support, some sort of right there. So you can see the support that was necessary for the next bearish. So in the next bearish, let's see that right there. There's a bullish, and that bullish also hit the resistance and bounced back, and then it broke below the support. So one would have thought after that it was expected a bullish, a very strong one. So let's show the breaking below support. So right there it broke below support. It broke below support. There is no more persistence than that. And it broke, it bounced back. It didn't touch the resistance. Then it went back and tapped the support, but this time it was to initiate a very strong bullish. So let's highlight that. So this new bullish lasted 3 months, between 24 September 2020 till 6th January 2021, not 27th December 2020. Then there was some retracements, but again it broke below the resistance, and also it didn't touch the support, because you can see the support here. In fact, even it broke below the first resistance, the second resistance, then it went below the second resistance to initiate a new bullish right here. Let me show you the trend with the trend line right there. So this new bullish lasted from 22nd January 2022 to 7th June 2021. 22nd January 2021 to 1st June 2021. Then there's a bearish, a retracement for that bullish. So let's highlight that. So that bearish was in response to the previous bullish. So it's cause and effect, which after that it initiated a sort of dramatic fluctuation where there's a very steep bearish between 18th. Let me use some vertical lines to clear out that. There is that bullish that lasted between there and right there. That's the bullish. Then immediately a very steep bearish that stabilized right here. Let me indicate that stability point. It's significant for the next story. Right there. So put it right there. So this very steep, let me first use a trend line to indicate. Is that bullish? Then immediately there is a bearish. And then after a day or two, even that means it feels like a week, there is a bullish in response to that bearish. And after that, some really crazy bearish. In fact, this market is somewhere very predictable. I know it seems odd that it is predictable because there seems to be a consistent pattern. That's bearish. Now, I would expect a bullish, so let's see if that expectation is valid. And of course, there's a bullish. That bullish is very steep. It even broke above. Let me highlight the highest point right here, so that you can see how much it broke above. Right there. So you can see in fact I think it will should use this one because that shows the fluctuation and the bullish here. Yeah. So it actually goes straight to the point of where we are now. That's high right there. Look at it go down. There it is. You see this horizontal line right here? Second from the top. So therefore indicating that we have already maxed out, we've already hit the highest high. But due to price fluctuation, so let me go to 1 week time frame, and there it is. So if you look at my current analysis, it's pretty clear where the market is going, and it's pretty clear why, but not clear when. So I think I'm gonna take a conservative position here. Yeah. Yeah. This position seems good. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to take a sell, and I'm going to take a very slightly conservative. Slightly conservative selling position. And I wonder how conservative I should be. So I expect a slight retracement bullish before a steep retracement bearish. And for that expectation, yeah. So I'm going to take a sell position. That's the position. I'm going to place it as it looks like. I have to admit, this position is very delicate. So that's much. So this is how my position looks like. Yeah, I think I'm comfortable with that position now.